Today we're gonna make beef chorizo from potatoes and eggs and tortillas, flour to make the burritos with a little bit of onion. So let's go ahead and get started. And to study that, I'm gonna be using just salt and a little bit of vegetable oil. And the way I like to slice my potatoes is I hold them like this. I'll slice them in two. That gives me 3 pieces. I'll lay it flat, slice it in 2. Gives me 3 pieces. There it is. Then I'll chop it like so. And get the small pieces. Alright, now we grab our pan and we have it to medium heat. Grab a little bit of oil just so it doesn't stick to the pan. Just go ahead and just move that all around. Go ahead and throw our potatoes in there. I'm making a lot. There's a lot of us here. We're gonna throw some onions. Throw some salt. We're gonna throw in the chorizo. And we'll wait for the eggs towards the end. You don't need to, but I'm going to add a little bit of Larry salt just to give it a little bit of color there. Alright, and I went ahead and added the chorizo. Now we're going to go ahead and just mix everything around. And just go ahead and break this chorizo apart to get it all over the pan with all the potatoes. It will eventually just melt itself away with everything. Going to create a lot of grease, but the potatoes are going to suck it all up, and it's going to be delicious. Just go ahead and mix it all in with the potatoes. Alright, and there it is. We're going to turn this up right about there. We're going to go ahead and cover this up. That way everything gets cooked. And we'll come back. Alright, and here I have my eggs. I'm going to just add a little bit of garlic salt. Mix it all together. Let's go ahead and give this a mix. Potatoes are still pretty hard, so let's go ahead and cover it back up. Alright, that looks pretty good now. Let's go ahead and throw our eggs in there. Yummy. Let's go ahead and mix everything all together. Alright. Now we'll go ahead and close the lid. Oh, that's hot. And we'll let that cook. Alright, let's go ahead and give it one more mix. Looks like everything is done already. Yum, yum, yum. Alright. So now, let's go ahead and set our tortilla warmer up. Good to go. Go ahead and turn this off now. Grab our tortillas. And let's go ahead and throw that on there.
Hello.
How were those eggs?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. Just made a video of how to make scrambled eggs just for my son, because I'm making this for the bigger boys. Alright, tortilla's about done already. Let's go ahead and throw it in our plate. Just grab a little bit of sour cream, rub it on there. Let's grab some of our ingredients. Yummy. Let's bring this closer. Alright. Let's add a little bit of some tapatio. Let's go ahead and fold this up. See how this works single-handedly. Oh, not bad. Sweet. Let's go ahead and bite into it. Oh. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Finish it off with that concentrated Kool-Aid. It was delicious. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. What do you guys think about the burritos?
Good.
Delicious or just good?
No. Super delicious.
That's right. Super delicious. Thank you for watching. Hey love, thank you for watching.
Bye.